I trusted Skinfinity Derma and here's how it changed my skin. I recently went for a skin tightening treatment that honestly felt like it turned back time. No needles, no downtime, just lifted firmer skins in a minute. If you're someone who is always scared of invasive procedure, this felt like a blessing. Within the first session itself, I saw around 70% of result immediately. My jawline felt more defined, my cheeks lifted, and the best part, it was completely painless. Now you might be wondering, what is this treatment? Well, it's called HIFU, High Intensity Focused Ultrasound.
So hello ma'am. Yeah ma'am, actually I have skin tightening issue, like you can see, like the jawline one. I want something like जो इसे tight कर दे, and also I have an acne scars issue previously, so I have taken 2 sessions before for PRP. Right now acne marks कम हैं, but yes मुझे आगे के लिए भी suggestions चाहिए कि like what I can do for like my skin rejuvenation.
So the thing is, we have multiple options for skin tightening. They can be invasive also and non-invasive also. So if you want to go something which is permanent and long lasting, though it's painless also, you can go for HIFU. So what we are doing in HIFU is high intensity focused ultrasound. We will numb you of course for 45 minutes before the procedure, so you won't feel the heat. And it will help you with your collagen booster. So if you see the skin जो भी यहाँ से sag कर रहा है, so it will give you skin uplifting also, skin tightening also. So you'll see the results instantly after the procedure also. हम half face करेंगे, फिर आपको दिखाएंगे. So you'll see the difference. But the maximum effect is there in 2 to 3 months. Almost 2-3 महीने लग जाते हैं. And then it stays also for almost 1 to 2 years. Otherwise you can also go for threads uplifting also, which also saves, but it is a little like invasive if you want to go. ठीक है. HIFU में what we are doing is we are targeting your deeper layers, the dermis. We are not doing anything superficially. You won't even see much difference, but it will help you with your pores tightening. It will help you with your jaw defining. जो अभी nasolabial जो थोड़ा सा fold आ रहा है, so वो lifting देगा, and overall eyes appearance will also look good.
Okay. So yeah, actually I want to ask you what it does. Like over a period of time, does it help to reduce fat due to the radio frequency you are?
So the thing is, we are not actually looking for fat reduction. We are more looking into firmness and the tightness of the skin. So this is actually working on the SMARS layer, जो muscular layer होता है skin के नीचे, वो उस पर work करेगा. Of course, it will help you with your fat reduction to some extent, but it will work more on the jawline defining. So we have different probes for HIFU.
How much part will you cover me?
We'll be covering full lower face, this area for you. If you want, we can go till here also, but full lower face and the chin will go. Okay. So HIFU we are doing for neck also, for full body also. So in that cases we are looking for fat reduction वाला part. But अभी face के लिए, though I don't see any fat reduction is your concern, your main concern is tightening, firmness. So we'll be doing it for the collagen booster, and we are doing almost 3.5 to 4 mm deeper layers. Okay. So there will be like micro injuries which is not visible to you, but it's the injuries beneath your skin. Then the healing is there, जैसे हमारा body usually work करता है. So there will be a collagen booster. With age, body में collagen कम होना start हो जाता है. We are basically triggering the collagen to form and give you more firmness and tightness. So when I'm saying that the result will be after 2 to 3 months, वो collagen boost up धीरे होगा, and finally you will see the full and final result. Okay. The only precaution after this is you'll have to apply sunscreen for next 7 days strictly. After every 3 hours, no actives. Yes. And no actives. Nothing. Just moisturizer, sunscreen and face wash. If you're using retinol, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, you have to stop all the actives for next 7 days to eliminate any type of redness or inflammation. I'll write down all the precautions for you, the post-procedure care also.
So I can use Bioderma face wash?
Yes, you can use the Bioderma face wash, the Bioderma sunscreen is using, and moisturizer. So these 3 things are must. After 7 days, I'll give you a proper prescription for your acne also, because I can see a few acne, and for pigmentation also here and there, wherever the pigmentation is there, I'll give you a proper skincare routine. So your main concern right now is for the skin tightening and for the acne scars, but you do have open pores also.
Yeah.
Can you come here for a minute? So you do have open pores. Just turn to that side.
Okay, ma'am. So as per your suggestion, I'd like to go for HIFU treatment. That the process is non-invasive, right?
Yes.
So yeah, I'd like to go for HIFU treatment. Thank you, ma'am.
Hey everyone, if you are still using just cream for anti-aging, you might be missing out on this real game-changing treatment that requires no surgery, no downtime. I am at Skinfinity Derma today after reading some amazing reviews about them on Google to get this treatment done. And let me tell you, this place is amazing and the staff here are super helpful, making me comfortable right from the moment I stepped in. After my consultation with the expert doctor who truly examined my skin and explained everything to me in detail, it's finally the time for the treatment. I'm getting the face HIFU treatment, which is a simple, non-invasive procedure that uses ultrasound technology to lift and tighten the skin. It stimulates collagen production, giving you the youthful, firm look.
The process was quick and I can already feel a difference. I'm really impressed with the care and professionalism and the use of state-of-art technology here. I would definitely recommend Skinfinity Derma and HIFU treatment if you are looking to regain your youthful self.